Hey, what's up guys, Madar Trugood Development. In this video, I'm gonna be swapping out old fluorescent ceiling lighting with recessed lighting. We're gonna be removing this guy. These are old fluorescent lights. They buzz. You have to switch the ballast if they go bad. And they're just have this office/hospital look to them. And we're gonna swap them with recessed lights. Here's one that I already completed. The next phase here, of course, is to do the taping and the finishing of the ceiling and paint. These are the recessed lights that I will be using. This is what you get in the box. This is where the voltage is gonna come in. High voltage comes in here. There's a transformer, transforms it to low voltage, which then connects to the light itself. So the light will come in with this connector here. It comes with a template so you can cut your holes in the drywall. Quick connectors as well for the wires. What I also like about these is they come with this dial, so you can change the type of lighting that you want from soft white to daylight. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the light. I removed this one here. Let's remove one together so you can see what is involved. All right, these are relatively easy to remove if you have the same type. There is a lock here and another one there. Like to move the door completely. Next, take the lights off, just rotate and guide them out. Now, I'm doing this with this switch on for now, because otherwise the room will be dark. You want to switch the lights off. That way you cut power to the fixture. Squeeze these in. Again, I'm doing this with the power on just so you guys can see there's light in the room. But what you want to do is make sure the power, oh, did you see that? There you go. That's why you want to do this with the power off. So I can get this guy out. Then you'll see there is screws right here. You basically just want to loosen them. Essentially what that is a bracket that's holding this fixture to the drywall. This is what we have now. We got a supply line coming in, and then this line will connect to the other fixtures. Now, next what we want to do is we want to cut a piece of drywall here, so measure that, and you want to cut some blocking 2x4 that's going to go across so you can screw your drywall to. So let's work on that. Got all my wood pieces cut out. I did 14.5 inches, which is the distance between the two joists. This is an added step. You don't need a pocket hole per se. You can just screw right through, but to me this is quicker. I have this handy and I'm just gonna pre-drill all these pieces. One down, I got 3 more to go on this one, and then we'll move on to the drywall. All my blocking is complete. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my piece of drywall. All right guys, my drywall is pre-cut. I got 48 by 11. These are my measurements. Using the template, I marked the center of where I want the light. And I'm gonna match this center to it, like that. Okay guys, before putting the piece of drywall up, we want to go ahead and secure the wires to the box. Using the existing clamp here, I'm just going to go ahead and use that to secure it to the box. Bring in this guy. Now using the provided connectors, I'm going to go ahead and secure all the wires together. Make sure it goes all the way in. Once it clicks like that, you're all the way in, and you're just matching colors here. All right guys, all the wires are in. I have to say this was a pain in the butt, and I've done this many times and it never gets easy. It's small space, a lot of wires. but make sure everything is secured, lock it up, and now we're ready to put that drywall up. Now, a couple of things before putting this up. I went ahead and marked where my blocking is. Also, keep this somewhere that you can access it, you know, once we put this up. I'm gonna use 1 1/8 screws. Now, reach in, grab that connector, make sure you line it up correctly. There we go. Now what you do is you push these up and in, just like that. Boom. Now, next phase is to tape and finish the ceiling, obviously. But for now, this is done. Now I got 3 more to go. And there you have it, guys. That's all to it. It's a very simple project. You can knock it out over a weekend. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll make sure to get back to you. See you guys on the next one.